Go ahead. Good job, Emma. Look and see what you have. You have the telephone, remember? Yeah, there you go. Turn it.
Mama.
You need help? Say help.
Mom.
I'll help you. Okay, go ahead, get another piece. Ooh, oh, good job, Emma. Turn it. You gotta turn it so it can fit in. Yay! Good job. Oh, yeah, the choo-choo train. What's that? A car? Can you say car? You can push it in. You got it. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Emma. And the doll. Clap for yourself. That was really good.